If the eyes are the window to the soul, the garage windows are the window to your stuff. Hi, I'm Scott Tompkins, your 360 agent right here in beautiful Olympia, Washington, and I just wanted to share with you guys a quick, cheap, and easy tip to keep your home safe and secure. Although I love the amount of light that my garage windows let in, I definitely do not like the idea of anyone looking into my garage. Instead of adding blinds or paying a company to tint my little garage door windows, I found this cool window film from a company called Artscape. I'll put a link to their website in the description. This was at Home Depot for about 35 bucks. Some of their film looks like etched glass or even stained glass, but I went with a simple translucent look. It's super easy to apply. Basically, you clean your window, cut the film to size, spray the window and film with soapy water, and squeegee out the bubbles. Easy breezy. Here's a quick time lapse of how easy this is. I like this film for my garage because I still get bright light, but now no one can see it. This is also a cool option for bathroom windows, and you can even cover just the lower portion of your window so that no one can see in from the street. As a bonus, this stuff has no adhesive, so you can just peel it off if you're ready for a change or if you're moving, so it's great for renters too. If this home tip was helpful, please give me feedback by hitting that like button. And also, what's your favorite tip for keeping your home safe? Please add that to the comments. Again, I'm Realtor Scott Tompkins, serving the Olympia, Washington area. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you soon.